Do you use a typewriter, send faxes, manually draft on Mylar? No, this is old technology. So is doing your substation design with unintelligent 2D CAD systems. Energy delivery is changing, and so is substation design. Use the best software modern utility design has to offer. With Substation Design Suite, you can create an intelligent 3D model that can automatically do the physical design CAD work and create the bill of materials for you. Substation Design Suite can also bring intelligence to your protection and control designs, giving you the ability to automatically annotate equipment, create cable schedules, and generate a bill of materials, all while providing real-time error checking. Our Utility Data Hub solution can provide advanced design checks and integrate with your enterprise asset management system. When you integrate this with advanced construction technology, the result is a faster and more accurate substation design. Visit spatialbiz.com to learn more about what Substation Design Suite can do for you.